Welcome back, anybody. If you're new to the channel here, now's your chance to get out. We have a number of mediocre videos available, but there's a lot other channels out there with much better videos. In no particular order, you've got Outdoors with the Morgans, you have Out of the Woods, Northwest Sawyer. There's a number of really good channels out there with sawmills. So you can stick around if you want. We're going to be milling some somewhat rotten maple today. And the last time we worked on this particular tree, the results were spectacular. Now I'm kind of thinking that they're either going to be spectacular or it's going to be firewood. So stick around and find out which way we go on this. Okay, the log I think we're going to be doing first is going to be this top maple. It's in pretty rough shape. You can probably see that there's rot all the way down the length of the log. And we got a bit of rot down below here and along here. This appears to be relatively solid, so we're going to have to see what it looks like inside. It's almost 6 feet long. It's 18 inches in diameter. Ordinarily, I wouldn't cut a saw log this long, and this wasn't cut as a saw log. It was cut as a hopeful candidate for firewood, but it looks like it's in better condition than I thought, so we're going to try milling it into slabs and see what we can get out of her. So let's see what happens when we get it on the mill.
Okay, we're finished with that log, and I was semi-right. It's kind of crappy. The thick slab you saw being taken off is what I consider to be low-grade firewood. Chances are it won't even make good firewood. But anyway, this is what we've got that actually came out that is not too bad. I've set them up here book match only because that's the way they came off the mill. Anyway, this is one piece. This is the best piece that came off, or the best pair, I should say. It's not bad, but that's kind of what I expected. Over here, this is toward the outer side of the tree, and everything is lighter, less heartwood in there. And again, not too bad. At least it's solid. Over here, this is the number 2 slab that came off. And if you look over here and over here, you say, ooh, spalting every place. Very, very beautiful. Well, as far as I'm concerned, spalting means I haven't yet completely rotted out, but I'm going to be rotting pretty soon. So there we are on this particular log. Let's get into the next one and see what that looks like.